Eine weitere Neuerung.
We will also open our software for third-party hardware, yet another new feature of the GOM Inspect Suite 2020. We will start off with the T-Scan family from ZEISS, for which our software provides direct support. You will be able to measure parts with the T-Scan hardware directly from our software and to evaluate the collected data quickly and easily.
Unabhängig von den strukturellen Änderungen und dem
There are many more highlights and features in addition to the structural changes and the new GOM Inspect Suite 2020 package system. We will continue to focus on the part-based workflow which we introduced in our 2019 software, which also features many improvements.
Dort wird es viele Verbesserungen geben.
You can now measure several parts in a single project. This means that we can support, for instance, multi-part fixtures, where you can clamp and measure several parts in one fixture.
Eingespannt und gemessen hat. Weitere Verbesserungen wird es geben.
You will also be able to add several actual mesh states to a given part and switch back and forth easily between those meshes.
Hin und her wechseln kann. Auch den Themenkomplex digitaler Zusammenbau.
The Software Suite 2020 will also provide greater support for digital assemblies. Past versions have used special scripts to execute gap and flush analysis to meet, for example, different manufacturers' standards. We will use the data from these analyses to build a general solution. This will make it much easier for you to use the virtual master jig functionality to meet all automakers' requirements. Gone are the times when you had to fall back on countless scripts. The software now includes a functionality allowing you to comfortably perform these flush and gap analyses according to each automaker's standards. Our Software Suite 2020 also boasts many enhancements for evaluations using PMI files or for general GD&T evaluations. We have improved some algorithms, added computations that had not been possible so far, such as datum systems on free-form surfaces, and enhanced visualizations significantly. We now support standardized ISO visualizations of labels. As in CAD software, you will now be able to position labels in 3D. The label content will also be displayed in line with ISO standards, which will allow you to create and report visualizations in our software, which will be identical with the drawings you originally received for measurement planning.
Die Zeichnung, die man eigentlich bekommen hat, den Messplan zu erstellen. Nur dass diese Auswertung dann
The actual measured values are then added to this evaluation. Since GD&T mathematics deal with relatively complex formulae and standards, generating correct geometric elements in the software is not always that easy. We made a great effort to identify precisely such design defects in the GOM Inspect Suite 2020. Help messages will tell the user where to revise his design to ensure correct computation of the geometric elements. The software will provide much more precise information about user errors. Ideally, it will offer an immediate solution which the user can select and execute.
Quasi dann einfach auswählen und ausführen kann.